In this video, I'm going to talk about how digital transformation tactics can help your business recover from a crisis, closure, or loss of earnings. I'm Dominique from Hurry, the market segmentation company. During March 2020, 1/4 of UK businesses closed temporarily due to the lockdown measures brought around by the coronavirus. Many business owners were left to ponder ways to get their businesses back on track. The global pandemic has changed the way we live and conduct business. Governments worldwide still encourage working from home to help stop the spread of coronavirus. YouGov research even shows that 1 in 5 respondents believe that remote work increases productivity. Unfortunately, not all industries are equipped to switch to a work-from-home operation so quickly, or at all. Customer-facing industries report far lower rates of remote work than web-enabled sectors. Forbes columnist Andrew Filev calls COVID-19 a before and after moment in the history of the economy and the digital transformation, meaning that to survive in the post-pandemic economy, businesses will need to adapt or risk going bust. What is digital transformation? Digital transformation is the process of using digital technologies to create new or modify existing business processes, culture, and customer experiences to meet changing business and market requirements. How can digital transformation rejuvenate your business after a crisis? Before the global crisis, your business may have been planning some form of digital transformation. Sadly, you just weren't fast enough. Or perhaps your brick and mortar store was your bread and butter, and the lockdown has forced you to close your doors and furlough staff. Digital transformation can help you in the following ways. Number 1. Start trading again. Shockingly, nearly half of all small businesses in the US don't even have a website. Taking steps to digitize your business can restart the generation of much needed revenue. By creating a website, social media presence, and/or online store for your products, you will open up your business to new customers and ventures. Attentive recorded a 20.3% boost in online sales in March 2020, with electronics, home furnishings, and pet supplies all seeing an increase in online sales. Thanks to an on-demand economy and platforms like Shopify and Deliveroo, there's never been an easier time to create a functional and profitable e-store for your business. Number 2. Reconnect with your customers. In 1 week of March 2020, a staggering 62 million video conferencing app downloads took place. Digital software is enabling meetings, art classes, property tours, and even live music concerts to occur virtually. Chatbots can be especially helpful to businesses operating with less staff than usual. AI-powered live chat allows you to answer the customer's questions at any time of the day or night. Research conducted by Fujitsu found that 68% of executives believe the future of business development will see humans and AI working collaboratively. Number 3. Gather insightful customer data. Digital transformation brings with it the ability to track, analyze, and forecast the behaviour of your customers. This accountability enables more precise budgeting and personalised marketing activities. As you diversify your business's digital footprint, the amount of valuable data you record will increase. Used correctly, this data can improve your user experience, increase sales, and boost user retention. Digital data sources include website e-store traffic, chatbot engagement, video conferencing attendance, social media interaction, email responsiveness. And your customers will thank you. 77% of consumers would rather choose, recommend, or pay more for brands that provide a personalised experience. There are 6 factors which determine the success of digital transformation projects: leadership, people, agility, business integration, ecosystem, value from data. Digital transformation requires you or your staff to onboard new tools and will likely increase your marketing stack. This can be overwhelming, but it doesn't have to be. To find out how Hurry can help you to integrate your digital tools and transform your customer experience, book a demo today. If you liked this video, then you can subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the button below. And to learn even more about optimizing your marketing strategy, visit the resources page on our website via the link in our bio. Now, we want to hear from you. Are you going to implement what you've learned today in your marketing strategy? Or perhaps you've got some tips of your own that you would like to share with us. Let us know by leaving a comment below.